If you are watching this video, you are a serious aspirant for exam like RBI, SEBI and NABARD, then you can't afford to not to read the summary of the economic survey. I am telling you, you are going to get such an excellent point to write. If you read more, there is no harm. But this is what minimum one shall do. Economic survey is a government document, right? Therefore, it gives you a lot of points to talk about and with lot of data, which are going to help you in writing your descriptive answer. Specifically, descriptive answer, I will show you this chapter summary about monetary management and fiscal intermediation, which is primarily banking. Displayed a stellar performance, double-digit and broad-based growth of bank credit, lowering of the NPA, multi-year low, and improvement in the bank asset quality highlight the government commitment to healthy and stable banking sector. Capital markets are becoming prominent in growth story of India, expanding share in the capital formation and investment landscape on back of the technology, innovation and digitization. So these are the three keywords again. Indian stock market among the best performing markets, 26.8% growth in Nifty 50. Market capitalization to GDP ratio being the fifth largest in the world. Market capitalization is the market value of all the companies which are listed in the market, listed in stock exchange like NSE, BSE. Calculation is very simple. Price of the share multiplied by number of the share, that is the value of the company, value of the firm divided by the GDP. So this ratio is fifth largest in the world. On insurance side, the vision is to provide insurance to all by 2047, 100 year of the independence. At the same time, the economic survey says that some areas require attention, especially the retail participation in the stock market. And you must have noticed after this, government has increased the securities transaction tax. So that is the reason, because government doesn't want retailers to lose their money when markets may go down. Also, there is increase in the short-term capital gain tax. Overconfidence shall not lead to speculation and expectation of even greater returns. Already 27%, almost 27% growth last year. People will expect that this kind of growth will come again this year. India can ill afford economies over financialization and then creating a bubble in the market. So important message for the companies working in the financial market, that the interest of the customer shall be prime. There shall be fair selling. We know many instances of mis-selling of the financial product. There shall be disclosures, transparency, reliability and responsiveness. Don't you think these are very, very key points? And on any specific matter of importance in this, if you want to study in detail, you can go to that particular chapter. You can study some data, some tables, but chapter summary you must go through. I've covered many important points in this video series. If you are liking this, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.